Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you guys another cool mod today, and this mod is actually called Mice Workers. Now I know it's not really mice workers, it's actually people. You'll see in a bit what I mean, but anyways, what this mod does is that it includes cool NPCs that will work for you, such as a miner, a lumberjack, a farmer, and a trader. So let me go ahead and show you pretty much how to get started. So you have to craft yourself one of these mice workers. I should show you a crafting recipe up here somewhere. But anyways, you're going to place this down anywhere you like. So I'm going to place it facing this way, and it's going to ask you to left click the block with the tool. You have to be in survival mode. If you right click with the wooden tool, the work is not really going to be as quick as a miner, as in which a worker with the diamond tool, if you best understand me. So if you like a fast worker, let's go ahead and go with the diamond pickaxe. You're going to left click with this as if you're punching it, and then it's going to ask you, please place 128 cobblestones in the chest. Here's the chest for the workers. It says right here, stuff for workers, and over here is stuff for player. So he's going to go mining once we give him all the necessary requirements that he's asking for. So let's go ahead and give him some cobblestone. You're just going to place it inside and it's going to disappear. I'm going to place more and more, okay? Once you notice that it didn't disappear on the last one, that pretty much means he's full and he needs something else, such as 16 wood. So let's take this back. He doesn't need that. Let's give him 16 wood. Place that. It's going to turn into 48. Take that back. And now he needs 16 coal. We don't have coal. Let me go ahead and use too many items to get the coal. There we go. I'm going to place the coal right in there, and it should just totally disappear. He's going to start mining. Let's go ahead and watch him. He's going back and forth. I guess he stopped. I guess he just stopped all of a sudden. I think he needs more stuff. He needs more cobblestone because he wasted all the cobblestone just to do this. So let's go ahead and give him way more cobblestone. I'm just going to go ahead and stuff all this with cobblestone. I believe it's best just to start him off in a dirt area instead of a sand, because he has to place all these cobblestones for the sand not to fall down towards him. But if you notice, he's mining far away, and he's going to keep on going until he reaches a limit. Let me go ahead and show you the limit. So here's the limit. He is going to be returning home. If you notice up here, the sign says returning home because he has reached his limit, which is like 141 blocks from here. He's going to start mining down and moving straight 141 blocks. His inventory seems to be quite full, but he is returning home. The sign will change when it says he's mining and everything else. If you notice, this is a diamond pickaxe, so he can go 141 blocks away. Let's go ahead and go over here to the guy who has the wooden pickaxe. If you notice, it's not 141, it's 111. So it's best to give him a diamond pickaxe if you like him to mine farther, and if you want him to spread faster. Look at this, he's just going straight down. He's not really covering as much room as in the diamond pickaxe one. He's mining in a bigger gap than the wooden pickaxe dude. So after a while, you're going to come back and you're going to notice that he's mining again. He might ask you to put more resources in his box. If he gathers any rare resources, he's going to put them in this box saying stuff for players. Open that up, you're going to get coal, sandstone, and iron ore that is valuable. Over here is just pretty much going to be junk, not really as valuable, such as sand, dirt, and cobblestone. You're not going to see anything rare like diamonds here. You're going to see diamonds here for stuff for players. Let's start a new one. Let's start a lumberjack. I'm going to place this down. I'm going to left click with the diamond axe, and now it's going to say please place 128 dirt. So let's give him some dirt. You can always hold shift and just give him the dirt. Now that he needs some wood, let's give him some wood. Now he needs more coal. Let's give him some coal. And now he's going to start working. If you notice, he's planting trees, putting down fence to make it look nice, and he's cutting down trees as he goes. He's taking down leaves, putting new trees, and I wonder how far he's going to start going that way. Oh, I think he hit his limit. Yep, he hit his limit, but he is going to expand this whole place right here full of trees. Let's go ahead and double check. So his limit is 31 blocks from, I bet, right here. If you'd count this, it'd probably be 31 blocks away. But if you notice, he's doing a pretty good job putting torches and clearing out the land. Now let's try out a farmer. I'm going to place this down, of course. I'm going to left click with the tool, and now he's going to ask for dirt. That's the main thing they usually ask for. Now they need wood. They always need wood. And now he needs cobblestone. Let's give him more cobblestone. Now he needs more coal. There we go. And now he's going to be working. He's going to go 31 blocks away. And if you notice, it's going up. Let's go ahead and see how he's doing. It looks awesome. It looks pretty interesting how these guys function. I see that this mod is improving while the creator is working on it. New updates are coming along, and there's actually a trader. Let me go ahead and show you what the trader does. The trader is one of the coolest things about this mod. So for a trader, you need to craft yourself another mice worker. You're going to place it down, and instead of putting a tool, you're going to put a chest. So you're going to left click with the chest, and if you notice there's like a trading sign right here, and there's the trader. He's really happy that I'm here, but let's go ahead and see what he wants. This is where you're going to get your trading items. So you're going to place some items in here and see what he's going to give you. This is the stuff that he accepts. Let's go ahead and put ourselves 64 dirt, and let's see what he'll trade for 64 dirt. He's going to trade all these cool items. So if you want 16 glass for 64 dirt, you can go ahead and trade, and if you check the box, the dirt's not going to be there, as if you traded. Now let's try some cobblestone. Place some cobblestone down. You could even throw in a dirt if you like to improve the chances of getting more valuable things. Open up the chest and see what you can get. You can check back with your workers, come back and trade all that for even more valuable goodies. Let's check back with the miner and see what he's gotten us. He got more coal for me, and he got even more stuff. And there's a lot of boxes here with a lot of stuff. So you could empty this out, take your goodies, build yourself a house. From all the material that I gathered up, let me go ahead and place it inside the trader and see if he'd like to trade with me. Alright, so the box seems to be full. Let's go ahead and see what he'll trade for all this. 5 diamonds, that seems like a pretty good deal for like all that dirt and cobblestone. Let's go ahead and trade for the diamonds. That was a perfect trade. Thank you, my friend. You can go ahead and keep this as a tip. So if you get any errors with your miner, as if he passed the limit or if he's stuck somewhere, all you have to do is just reset it. Just break the block underneath. Just break it real quick just like that, and you should be able to get the mice worker block back. There is a stick config setup in which if you don't want your miner mining you iron ore, and if you want iron ignites, you could change the setup. Just place down a mice worker block, and instead of putting a tool, you're going to put yourself a stick. So put a stick, and it's going to say right there, mice worker setup mode. So we pretty much have to explain to the mod that we don't want iron ore. We're going to right click with the iron ore. So it's going to say starting new block at 15.0, and you're going to replace it with iron ignite. So right click that, and it's going to save. And now every time my miner is going to mine for these iron ores, instead he's just going to go ahead and give me the iron ignite of it. Instead of me waiting and using a furnace, now he'll do it for me, but without a furnace. But anyways guys, this mod is really awesome. I really enjoy this mod. It was really fun. It is single player. It does not work on multiplayer. Maybe the modder will put it on multiplayer. You're never too sure. Support the modder because he will probably improve this a lot. So let's go ahead and see on how to install this awesome mod. It's not that hard. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this mod. This mod is pretty easy to install. We shouldn't have any problems, of course, but before install this mod, the first thing I'm going to want to do, of course, before installing any mods is to go here to options and force update my game. And the reason why I'm going to force update my game is because I have mods currently installed. If you guys have mods currently installed, I always tell you to back them up because you're never too sure if Mice Worker is compatible with any of your mods. If it's not compatible, you will get a black screen and you will get pretty mad. Anyways, force update and log in to prevent a black screen. I'm going to go ahead and minus this while it's force updating. Anyways, you're going to get the downloads from my description. You're going to get Mice Worker and Mod Loader. They're going to be right here. Download them, drag them here to the desktop in which you can see them better. And let's go ahead and install this. Once you got the downloads, let's go here to start. Search your program file. I'm going to type in %app data %, and for Windows XP users, you guys should see here run, and you guys run %app data %, and it should take you up here to the roaming folder. So click on that roaming folder and you should see .minecraft in the very top. Of course, you're going to go into your .minecraft folder. You're going to see bin, resources, save, and everything else. Go into your bin folder. Before you open up your Minecraft.jar that's within your bin folder, you have to make sure that you have your Minecraft closed. Here's my Minecraft game that I just forced updated. You have to exit off your Minecraft game. Now you're going to right click your Minecraft.jar that's in your bin folder. Open with Winrar or any 7-zip opener. So open that up and move it aside. The first thing you have to do, of course, is to delete Meta-Inf. You have to delete Meta-Inf. Right click Meta-Inf and delete files. Make sure you delete Meta-Inf. If you don't delete Meta-Inf, you will get a black screen. So say yes and delete the mod. Now it's really simple. You're going to open a mod loader. So double click mod loader, move it aside. And you're going to highlight the files from mod loader and simply drag it all into the Minecraft.jar side just like this and replace, press OK. You are done with mod loader. Exit off mod loader and exit off your Minecraft.jar. All you have to do is just drag over mod loader. Make sure you're still in your bin folder where you open up your Minecraft.jar with Winrar, because we're going to go back to your .minecraft folder. So go back to your .minecraft folder with bin, resources, save, and everything else. Alright, if you don't have a mods folder, you're going to create a new folder called mods. Right click, new folder, and you're going to call it mods in your .minecraft folder. MODS, just like that. So bin, mods, resources, save, and everything else. Go into your mods folder. You shouldn't have anything in here. If you have anything, go ahead and delete it if you like. and just download the mice workers. It should come in a jar. It should come in a .jar, or it should come in a Winrar. It doesn't really matter. Just highlight that and drag it into your mods folder. That's it. That's pretty much meaning Mod Loader is going to open up the mods folder that you just created, and it's going to run mice workers. Once you have done that completely, it's going to work. If you have any issues, please rewatch the video because it's really that simple. You just have to really create a new folder and see if it worked. Anyways, go into your world and you can install too many items if you like. I'm playing on fancy settings in which I should be lagging. I don't know why. Or anyways, let's go ahead and double check if I got the block. Of course, too many items will help out, or if you already have the block down, it should start working. So in my case, it already works because I could obviously see the blocks. Let me go ahead and change my render distance. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. This mod is really awesome. See, I changed the settings on the iron ores to turn them into iron ingots, and the workers have already done that. This mod is really awesome. I'd hope to see this mod improve. It's really cool, as is right now. Alright guys, thank you guys for all your support towards all my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys later. Thank you guys for all your support again, and see you guys around.